Hello everyone. We are going to start our live session soon, and today we have our topic about quadratic equation. So we are also welcome to all participants, and today we will study about quadratic equation and solution of different types of quadratic equations. So let's start our topic. So quadratic equation in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. So standard quadratic formula is equal to x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And we also prove this formula, that how can we obtain this formula from this quadratic equation. We will discuss two cases. Case 1, when equation is directly in standard form. We will discuss this case, and then we will discuss case 2, when equation is not directly in standard form. So in case 1, when equation is directly in standard form, and when we solve the equation, so there are also two cases. Case 1.1 is when both roots are real, that is real roots, and case 1.2 is when both roots are complex roots. So after solving a quadratic equation, either we get real roots or we get complex roots. So this is one case, and second case is when equation is not directly in standard form. So when a quadratic equation is not directly in standard form, then we shift this quadratic equation to quadratic form. So here we will discuss 5 different types of quadratic equation which are reducible to standard form. So in this case, in these 5 different types will not be directly in quadratic equation in standard form, but we will try to convert or reduce those types to standard quadratic equation. So before starting the topic, we must know about the real roots. So what is real roots? When the discriminant, that is discriminant equal to d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac, when greater than 0 or equal to 0, two cases. If discriminant is greater than 0, it means two real and distinct roots. So if d, that is discriminant, if greater than 0, so it will give two real and distinct roots. And if d equal to 0, so it is also two real and equal but repeated roots. Repeated roots means that the value will be same. That is, we can say if the value, the root is equal to 1, 1 or 2, 2 or 3, 3, therefore repeated is used. So if discriminant equal to 0, then we will obtain repeated roots. So this was all about real root, and the second one is complex root. So when we find the discriminant, that is d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac if less than 0, so it means that the roots are complex conjugates, not real, and they involve imaginary numbers like iota equal to square root of minus 1. This square root of minus 1 is equal to iota, and when iota involves in any value, so we call them imaginary numbers or complex conjugates. So the bottom line is, if d is less than 0, then our root will be complex roots. So now let's start the derivation of quadratic equation, which is equal to x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So how we can obtain this quadratic equation from this standard form of quadratic equation, and this quadratic formula we will derive from this quadratic equation. So let's start the derivation of this quadratic formula. So this is a quadratic equation in standard form, and now we will divide both sides of the equation by a. So ax square divided by a plus bx divided by a plus c divided by a equal to 0 divided by a. Here also you can write a, but 0 divided by a equal to 0. So therefore I have not written over here. You can write over here that is 0 divided by a, which is equal to 0. And now this a will cancel this a, so this will become x square plus b divided by ax equal to c divided by a. We have sent this c divided by a on other side of the equation, so it will become, when we send this value on other side of the equation, or you can say we will subtract minus c divided by a on both sides. So when we subtract minus c divided by a on both sides, so this minus c divided by a and this plus c divided by a will cancel each other, and then here on the other side of equation we will have minus c divided by a. And now we will make this x square plus bx divided by a complete square. So for complete square, we can write this x as x square plus 2ab. So here 2a, we have a equal to x, so x, and divided by, we have b equal to b divided by a. So therefore we have written b divided by a. But look over here, if we look, just for the time being ignore this 2, if we have 2xb divided by a, then this value is not equal to this value. So to balance this value, we will divide 2 over here to cancel this 2. So therefore we will write b divided by 2a, and this value will be our b in case. So now x square plus 2x into b divided by 2a plus, this is our b, and plus b square, that is b divided by 2a all squared. Now this x square plus this value equal to this value, and we have added b divided by 2a squared from our own. So to balance this value, we will subtract as well b square, b divided by 2a all squared to balance this value. So Therefore, we have subtracted this b divided by 2a all squared, and which is equal to minus c divided by a. Now this whole value will become a plus b whole squared. So this will become x plus b divided by 2a whole squared, because we have a equal to x and b equal to b divided by 2a. So this whole value will become a plus b whole squared and minus this b square b divided by 2a squared equal to minus c divided by a squared. Now we have sent this value, we will send this value on other side of the equation. So our equation will become x plus b divided by 2a whole squared equal to b divided by 2a squared minus c divided by a. And now here we will open this bracket, so b squared, and this will become 4a squared minus c divided by a, and then we will take LCM of this value. So 4a squared is LCM, so 4a squared divided by 4a squared equal to 1, and 1 multiplied by b squared, so this will become b squared. And here when 4a squared is divided by a, so then we have a 4a, and which will multiply with this c, so this will become 4ac. So overall b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square, this value. And now we will take square root on both sides, so this square and this square root will cancel with one another, and after introducing square root we have these values plus minus. So now we will send this b divided by 2a on other side of the equation, or you can also say that we will subtract on both sides b divided by 2a. So now we will take